Hi fellas, we have automotive update here. 2023 Honda Pilot first drive, broad strokes and broader shoulders. Honda's 4th generation Pilot is here in all of its squared off, rugged glory. Packing an updated powertrain with new drive modes and an upgraded TrailSport model for the outdoorsy types, the overhauled 3-row wades into a segment where every new entry seems to push the boundaries of jack-of-all-trades utility and light-duty adventuring. For a more comprehensive overview of the new features in the 2023 Honda Pilot, check out our first look from November. Honda picked Sedona because it was one of many places across the country where its engineers spent time testing the capabilities of its new TrailSport models, Pilot included. Home turf, if you will. We started our drive in a TrailSport. The unique conditions provided an opportunity to test one of the 4th Gen Pilot's new additions, selectable drive modes. Sure enough, snow is one of them, and paired with the Continental all-terrains, it handled the slop with aplomb. A full ABS braking test found reasonable grip from the knobby A per terrasecond even on icy hills, giving us confidence that we'd be able to get by on some of the area's steeper inclines. A set of knobby tires might prompt concerns among those of you who know Honda's history of delivering models that suffer a bit more than average from wind and road noise intrusion, but the Conti were admirably quiet even on rough desert asphalt. After trading in the TrailSport for an Elite, we actually found the latter's all seasons to be a bit more talkative on messy pavement, but the weather conditions and rather generous application of what appeared to be cinder treatment on the roads made for a challenging testing environment. Both models are powered by the Pilot's new standard 3.5-liter V6. Yes, that may sound like a carryover, but is in fact a new, DOHC design. Power was bumped ever so slightly to 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet, up from 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet, and the 10-speed automatic, with paddle shifters, returns. Transferred to one wheel. T's still comfortable, roomy and versatile, but now it offers a little something extra for those who have the gumption to venture off the beaten path from time to time. Its lowlights are few. In addition to the tech shortcomings we already touched on above, we're left a bit cold by the Pilot's one-size-fits-all powertrain. To be fair, it's not that unusual for the class, and none of Honda's competitors is setting the world on fire either. But some additional hybrid and turbocharged options would certainly shake things up a bit. That is Automotive Update today. What's your opinion, fellas? Please don't forget to write down in the comments section and hit the subscribe button.